Today we are going to start with the PHP and the MySQL. So what is the meaning this PHP and MySQL? What is the meaning of this PHP and MySQL connection? What it means? You have a language PHP, right? With the using this language PHP, what you can do? Connect with the database. And after connection, making a connection with the database, and what is database? Collection
of data or information or tables.
Collection of tables. First level is collection of
Tables.
and all those tables hold some data, or you put some data in those tables. Right? So either if know the query, go to the DB that database and run that query. So do you think it's feasible that on daily basis, if someone is booking booking tickets on IRCTC, all data will be collected and one person will be deployed, take the data, run the query, insert into the database. Will this be a feasible way to store the data?
No, sir.
How many days this will take to store the data like this? It will not feasible, right? Because if there is 1 lakh people booking ticket on IRCTC, 1 lakh information is generated, and if you suppose that someone is there taking all the information, going into database, running the query, all the information running the query, that is not feasible. So how this is possible? You have that booking form, got the information in a language like PHP, make connection with the database, look into that user who has logged in, who has booked the ticket, and put the information in the table.
Database.
Yeah, in the database table. So it will be automated process now. So whether it's a 1 lakh booking or 2 lakh booking, so do you think is this going to create any delay or something like that?
No, sir.
So language is basically a middleware, you can say, between the person who is interacting with the form and between the data where data is stored, right? Language, this PHP is taking the data, like data is coming in the form of which method? Post method, right? You are making connection. PHP is helping to connect with the database and sending data to the database tables. So one of the database, if you see, there are various types of database are there, like can you name some of the database? Like
Oracle,
yes, Oracle. MySQL, you forget, just with MySQL is already DBMS. Or
NoSQL.
NoSQL is not a DBMS. We're talking about DBMS, Data Management System. Or it's a DBMS, but I'm talking about RDBMS basically.
RDA.
Yeah, relational DBMS.
MongoDB.
Relational DBMS. MongoDB is not a relational DBMS. MongoDB is
NoSQL.
NoSQL. MongoDB. SQL, MS SQL, Microsoft.
Yes, sir.
Right? Anybody else can tell me? So by high level, you know that Oracle is there, MySQL there. There is also PostgreSQL, right? Heard about this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is also RDBMS. Clear, guys? So in the web development, mostly what will use? MySQL. If there is a
MySQL.
medium level website and that is not going to hold many various level of transactions, we'll go with the MySQL. But that transaction is very high, something very big level, something like that, then we can go with the Oracle like or SQL Server like. But for the web development, the data can be easily fetched, easily work fast with the MySQL. NoSQL, MongoDB or some other are also there. These are all not relational. All the data here is stored in the form of documents, right? Documents and collection. Clear, guys? Here collections are tables and documents are the data. Now, so MySQL has some advantage. MySQL is a database system used on the web. MySQL is a database system that runs on a server. Ideal for both small and large application, and very fast, reliable, easy to use. It's also uses a standard SQL. SQL means structured query.
Structured query language.
Structured query language. You know, whatever the structured query language or syntax you know, you can run using MySQL. You can freely download and use. Now the MySQL is developed, distributed, supported by Oracle. Oracle not developed. Previously it was open source. MySQL was independent open source. Then later on Oracle has acquired this MySQL. Now community version is free, but there is also some commercial versions for which you need to pay. But we can work with the MySQL free version if you are working with free version, that is the community version. Most of the time you have to download MySQL server from MySQL website. So if you see the MySQL website, this is the official website of MySQL, and you can go and there are some downloads. So different downloads are there. Some like here na MySQL community downloads, right? So here you can go and some community servers are available. You can download MySQL community servers, right? Here different versions are available. You see on which operating system you are looking to, which OS version. Mine is Mac OS, so that's why it's showing Mac OS. Some previous versions are also here. So here is the SQL Server's old versions are there. Right, guys? So I hope you all have installed XAMPP, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So on XAMPP,
Yes, sir.
one lighter version of MySQL is there, which is Mariadb, and that is also DBMS. It's almost equal to MySQL. So XAMPP come with the Mariadb. If you see, can guys, any one of you open this localhost? Then can you go to your XAMPP and in the URL type localhost, just type localhost, you will see the dashboard. Are you able to see the
Yes, sir.
dashboard link?
Yes, sir.
Then there is
Yes, sir.
then there is a phpMyAdmin link also.
Yes, sir.
There is phpMyAdmin,
Yes, sir.
and once you see phpMyAdmin, are able to see screen like this. If you click, guys, fast, are able to see this screen? If you're clicking
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
phpMyAdmin, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically that is the interface, web interface, where, so what you can see here, can you see the database server, what is written there? Server type is there, what is written there, server type?
So Mariadb.
No, do not worry, actually mine is MAMP, it was installed very earlier. So there is, my server is MySQL, your is Mariadb. Don't confuse about that. That is almost same. All will work what I will work here. Clear, guys? And
Yes, sir. Format showing error.
showing error.
Yes, sir. Can I show
Sir,
the
access
screen?
denied. It's
Yes, sir.
Whose screen? Can you show me what error?
Permission.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you have to start that MySQL also. Go
Sir,
to,
there is
Yes, sir.
also an error, sir.
yeah, open that. Yeah, click and start MySQL. Yes.
So this is the error.
Your MySQL is not starting. Attempting to start, but it's not starting.
Yes, sir.
So probably you need to reinstall this XAMPP again.
Again, sir.
Yes. So before installing that XAMPP, from the folder there is a htdocs na. Take out the files from there or save somewhere so that uninstall and install this XAMPP.
Sir, here
XAMPP,
inside jam.
yeah, htdocs.
Yes, sir.
You have all your working files are here na. My first project, where you have saved all your files.
Yes, sir. My first project.
Yeah, click on that.
Yes, sir.
So your work is here na. Save somewhere this folder
Okay, sir.
and uninstall XAMPP and install new XAMPP.
Okay, sir.
Make sure while installing, you are also, if you are asking to install MySQL also, check that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do that. Please do this
Okay,
fast. Who else are also getting the same error?
Yes, sir.
yes, for me.
Who is working fine? Show me.